All right, guys, we're here with my boy Isaac. We just got this grill in. We got it in yesterday, and we're gonna take off the old one. All right, buddy, we're gonna take off the bumper, the grill, and those lights. Okay, you got it?
Yeah, we're gonna replace these two.
Every fucking thing, buddy. Yeah, we got everything brand new.
I already got
Should be right there by your head. Right there, look.
over here. Coming off? Oh, didn't fall off? We got a bumper?
Yeah, I got a new bumper. Let's go get it.
Where's that bumper?
It's over there. It's behind the white truck. No, my white truck. No, my other white truck. No, that one. Alright. Open the tailgate. We should have higher. Open it.
Dang, how high do I have to open this?
It's called balls, buddy. The other parts I have inside. All right, we got the boxes of our stuffs. We got some stuffs in. Oops. Sneak peek.
Sneak peek.
These right here,
Mm-hmm.
they're gonna go right there. One goes here.
Like this?
Actually, that's like somebody cut that one. That one's supposed to go there, and the other one goes on the other side. Let's take them off. See these little thinglings? And these special.
Should paint those red? Or no?
Nah, I'm not gonna keep the truck this color.
What are you gonna change it to?
Huh?
Oh, mystery color?
Mystery color, bro. Mystery flavor. So these are the old ones that came out. See, it's supposed to be all this.
Yeah, those are kind of ugly.
I wonder why they... I don't know how come they didn't have the whole thing.
Do you need the whole thing?
Well, this looks like ghetto. Unless you want to be ghetto. You want to be ghetto or what?
No. The OBS? Hey yo, no diddy. It looks super different. Looks all beat up.
Super different.
Burn it.
You know what? I want to record now, buddy. How about you pick up all the paper, put it in here? Yeah. Sounds like fun, huh? Yeah, everything. Thank you.
What did you buy this strap again?
Really?
Yeah. Like someone steal?
Yeah. From mine.
Your steal?
Mm-hmm.
Like royal blue? Yeah. Yeah, and the inside just white.
White.
Yeah. Like pearl white.
Inside?
Yeah.
I'm already doing it all black.
Huh?
I'm already doing it all black.
I know, but you said what I would like. But if the inside's black, then the outside... I feel like it'll be still look good with the royal blue from outside and black from inside. It's really dull.
All right, so now we got the bumper on, guys. It's like the OEM one with black rubber impact strip and the front valence and the license plate.
Yeah, this is really dull.
Huh?
This is dull.
You're dull. Come on, doll. Doll face. All right, let's open up what's in package number 1. Well, that's already open. Let's see what's in there.
Bro.
That one's already open.
Well,
What are those?
I don't know, but I seen this on the side of the truck and they're white, like
Yeah,
here.
corner lights. We got the corner lights in for the new grill that we're about to put on. Careful there with the Michael Myers knife. Oh yeah, don't let your kids use knives. This is just for video purposes. What is this, buddy? Bust them out. Damn. What is that?
I don't know.
It's the front lights.
These are? Why are they so small?
Huh? That's how they are.
For
Yeah.
OBS?
Yeah, put it up the thing back on the bubble wrap. So we got the new set of headlights, all clears. This truck's gonna look completely different when we put all this on.
And then
Go ahead.
Paint.
And then open up the final box. People's out. You took it forever.
I know, it's
I'm running out of storage here, buddy. Cabron. What is that? It's a tube. Open it up, see what it is. Chingo de tape.
okay. You ready?
Yeah, check it out, see what the product is. You know what that is?
Is it on the top of the wheel?
You know, it goes on top of the bumper. Come on, bring it. It's fragile. It goes like this, I believe. It goes attached to the grill. Then we gotta take off these ugly toasted little headlights.
Yeah. Someone put Daddy.
Right. We're gonna take out this.
Is this the light right here?
Yeah, you gotta twist them. That one's already out, no?
No.
Yeah, it's already out. Oh, it melted. It melted on there.
Dang it.
It's alright. It's gonna be all white. I got new lights too. See?
Nice.
2.
Whoa, what are those?
These are the lights I just took off.
Yes, sirree. Okay.
LED lights from Amazon. I got 4. 2 for the high beams, 2 for the low beams. 906. 906. Now I'm gonna turn on the lights. It will help if the battery was connected.
Whoa, they're bright.
Right.
I want to take this puppy for a spin. Whoa, this looks awesome. You should have got clear side thingies.
Got these plastics, sticker things, trash. And this.
Dang, these are about to be fire. Yeah, that already looks fire. Satisfying. Did it? That looks fire.
Huge difference. Damn. All right, we just got to bolt it up. But man, look at that huge difference. That's the old grill. And this is the new one with the new clear lights. Bumper, every fucking thing. All right, gang, we're done for today. We already put the grill on. Or you want to keep working, Isaac?
No, I'm tired.
You tired already?
Yeah.
God, hold on. All right, we'll catch you in the next video because Isaac's already tired.